Well, guys, this is what I've been at all morning. Building this. You may recognize it. That DB9 here. You got a line out. You got a line in. Speaker jack, mic jack. Transformer, some adjustments. What do you think, boys? Well, I won't keep you in suspense, but what I have here, what I got built, is a computer to radio interface. And this is something that I built for a buddy of mine, VO1TAD, Mr. Thomas. He does not have an interface, so he's trying to use his cell phone to decode and send digital information, pictures, whatever. And he haven't got an actual computer interface. So I figured this morning that I would surprise him with this. And something I was thinking about building for quite a while actually for him. And over the last 2 or 3 or 4 days now, we've been dabbling in digital communications with SSTV and WeatherFax and stuff, and he seems to be quite interested in it. So I figured what I would do for him is build an interface, so you don't have to spend the money to buy the thing when you can, obviously make it for nothing. So this is quite miniaturized. Trying to get this to all fit in that box. Oh my god. My other friend, Mr. Dwayne, VO1AAB, he supplied me with a few mic connectors and matching jacks that he bought off eBay, and he bought a bunch of them, and he donated a few of them to me, and it's the first time I used them. So Mr. Dwayne, thank you very much. As you can see, one of these are going to a great cause to Mr. Thomas's QTH here in St. John's. Anyways, I'm going to get this thing put together here, and I got to obviously got to wire a microphone, or microphone. Got to wire another cable between this and his radio. I got 2 cables to make up. I'm going to try and make up one for the his Kenwood TS130S, and he also got an ICOM IC5023H, so I'm going to try and wire up a mic cord for that one as well. So yeah, or I could, I might have another idea actually. So I don't need to make up 2 cords. I can make this cord go into a cable, go into like a breakout box that got like two cables, one for each radio. So you can just either want to use Kenwood, plug into that one, so I can't plug into that one, sort of thing. Have 2 cables coming out of it. That's what I'm thinking I might do. Otherwise I'll have to make up 2 individual cables. So I'm thinking I might come out with some kind of a T, might come up with some kind of like a T connection, you know? But we'll see how that goes. But anyways, we'll be dropping this off to Thomas later today. He has no idea that I'm building this for him. He has no clue whatsoever. So I want to keep him in suspense, and we're going to bring you along when we drop this off to him. And I think he's going to like it. Anyway, Thomas, you've been a good friend of mine, and I figured, with all the parts and stuff I got here, why not build you an interface? So here you go. Okay, so that's the mic plug, obviously, so that'll manage to get the box closed. She's quite spring loaded. So I'd highly suggest Thomas do not open the box. When you plug that there, obviously it'll go to the radio. But this here is the mic wiring for the plug. So this here is as you're looking at the inside of the box, looking that way, basically. That's what the wiring is. So I got the grounds on one side, and I got the mic audio positive on that pin, PTT positive on that pin. So it's only 4 wires is all you need on that to control the radio, PTT and mic audio. So there you go. And I got a little variable resistor put inside. I got a little opening here that you can control the audio from the computer out to the radio in case you got to fine tune the audio. There's a jack down there. I don't know if I can get the camera's light to go down there or not, but you can kind of see it there, right there. So that's for adjusting the audio to the from the computer to the radio. So now we're going to make up a mic cord now between this and the Kenwood next. Okay boys, the completed project of the computer to radio interface kit that I just made up today. So remember that Y cable I was talking about making up? I decided not to do that. So basically what I'm going to do, or what I have done, is the smaller connector here, obviously fit there, and then this end here is wired to the Kenwood TS130. So just plug it in, way to go. Now if I want to use this interface with the ICOM radio, I made up this cable. So I got a 4-pin socket on this end that matches this one. So it's just a matter of plugging this plug into this plug and then plug this plug into the ICOM. So it's like an extension cable. But yeah. But that's the setup. So that's all the wiring that I had to do with this. So that's the wiring diagram, or the hookup diagram for this thing, which corresponds obviously to this box. So yeah. Anyways, gotta deliver this now and see what happens. I'm sure Mr. Thomas will like this for sure. Okay boys, this is Mr. Thomas VO1TAD, and I spent most of the day building something for him. Whatever.
Thank you.
And then we're going to open it up. I built him a box of chocolates.
Did Maureen wrap it?
Maureen wrapped it. Maureen's good at wrapping things.
Oh, Queen Anne cherries.
Yeah, a box of cherries. Get a box of cherries there, buddy.
Oh, sweet. Thank you very, very much. That's the interface for the radio, isn't it?
There's a whole interface. There's a whole kit.
Oh, that's the one for the ICOM.
Yep. And the one for the Kenwood.
The one for the Kenwood.
Yep.
Audio cable.
Yep.
Literally everything there.
Line in, line out, and on the COM port. Plug it in, set it up your tank. And look how small the actual box is.
That's what you were talking about. Yeah. How did you fit everything into that?
Wasn't easy.
Like, I mean,
I burnt my finger a couple times.
Yeah, I know. I heard you curse on the phone.
I got that note there. Shows you the hookups for it.
The pin out and that.
Yeah, and there's a little note on the back of it too. Like I said, that's a whole kit. Gotta make sure it all stays with it.
Yep.
Right. It all works together, right?
Thank you very, very much.
Yeah, what do you think of that?
That's awesome.
Never thought you'd get that, did you?
That's wicked. Thank you very much.
Yeah, that's from the Nut Reno 63, buddy.
That's awesome. Thank you very much, bud.
There you go.
Greatly appreciated.
I'm sure you'll put it to use.
Oh, yeah.
For sure. VO1TAD, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you.
Anything you want to say to all the crowd?
Can't wait to get deeper into SSTV.
Awesome.
Blast.
Well, boys, dropped off the interface to Thomas there last night, and as you can see in the video, he's quite happy with it. I had to make a couple little adjustments with it, but he finally got it. So I'm running SSTV. We're on frequency 145/500. I'm running on SSTV low, which is low power. Or I can go high power. I just goes low. And basically the program we're running here is SSTV version 1.13a. And yeah, so we're just going to wait for Thomas to set up his equipment there to send us an SSTV transmission, and then we'll send one back to him. But anyways, Thomas, I'm glad you enjoyed the interface. I'm sure it'll give you years of enjoyment and satisfaction to get on some digital modes on HF, VHF, UHF, whatever. Opens up a lot of doors for you. Anyway, hope you enjoy it. He's now sending an image. I'll sync it. Which gives that a perfect image. So now I'm going to send him back. Send a CW identification here. Now I'm going to send him a response 595 to his SSTV transmission. So I just sent Thomas a 595 report. Let's see if he says anything in response to that. This was his last transmission. I'll send him a 73 now shortly. Again, we're doing this on VHF FM on 145.500 megahertz, which is the SSTV calling frequency for 2 meter FM. Not sure if he's going to send a reply. I'll send him a 73. and the CWID. There we have it. So, of course, there's a picture of my workbench. That's the current setup. But there you go. Anyway, Thomas, hope you enjoy the interface and you get many, many years of enjoyment out of it, and of course, digital contacts. All the best. 7-3, 363. We're out of here. Way to go, Thomas.